coronavirus, and I think I have chosen. Okay, so I've chosen the wrong day because I needed much more strength. This was very important topic, so I think we should continue this topic even on tomorrow or maybe Monday. You will get the message in your WhatsApp group whether there will be classes or not. Okay, anyhow, let us move forward. I think all the best students what we need is already here. All right. So there is no grid today, okay, and there is no welcome speech today because I experienced in the morning classes 40 minutes was short. So I just want to make sure I told today to write five points about the coronavirus, right? That was the advantages and disadvantages of corona, right?
Sir.
Okay, so I hope everyone has written, and we could not listen to all the points what you have written. We will be listening to the points, and it's like group discussion here. Okay, all right. So we are going to start the class with the video. So I hope everyone insert your headphones because I'm going to show one video like how it started. The coronavirus topic is today. And after that, we are going to share our knowledge and thoughts about coronavirus. Okay, I have written many points. So let us see what happens. Okay, so video, I have headphones and mobile or laptop use ready. All right. All right. So here we go again. Everyone unmute yourself and you have to say, yes, sir, our headphones are ready.
Yes, the headphones are.
Sir, our phones are.
Yes, sir, we are waiting.
Ready to wait.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. In here, and I'm going to share this video. Oh, one of my favorite video. Okay. So let me play it for 20 seconds, boys and girls. And after that, whether you can, the video is audible to you or not, you have to just tell me. Okay. So I'm going to play it. Okay. Is this video audible to everyone?
No, sir, it's not audible.
All right. Remaining students?
No, sir, not audible.
It's visible, not audible.
Not audible.
Visible. Not audible. Okay. Just a sec. Give me a moment. What should I do to make it audible? Okay, now? Is it audible?
It's
No,
not
sir, it's
visible,
not
not audible.
Yes, sir. It's
Not visible,
nor
neither audible. Oh my God. Okay, just a sec. Okay, is my screen visible to everyone?
No, sir.
No, I mean to say you can see me on the screen on your mobile, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Just a sec. Here we go again. And okay, now?
No, sir.
No.
Screen is
Screen is
visible.
visible.
Audio is not audible, sir.
Oh my God. Sipka sir, can you help me out with this?
Sir, please first you check your audio is correct or not, please. In your laptop.
No, I can hear it. I can
hear.
I can hear.
Get your headphones on the speaker. I think so. Headphone mic.
Okay, just a sec. Oh, what? But last time when I showed this video, everything was well and fine. I don't know what happened.
So you just click on more, you will get the option enable original sound.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Okay, can everyone see this? I mean to say this picture.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
we can see.
Okay, just a sec, boys and girls. Sorry for the inconvenience. Oh, I didn't want to do this. What to do? How should I come to this?
It's visible and
No.
also audible, sir.
No, it's audible.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir, it's visible, also audible.
Okay, remaining boys and girls.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want everyone to make sure that is it audible and visible both.
Visible, not audible.
Okay, remaining.
Yes, sir. Only visible, not audible.
Okay.
Now,
Now,
audible also.
The audio
Yes, sir.
sound is coming and going in between, sir.
all right, understood. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to play and no one is going to disturb. Okay, I'm going to play this from the beginning. All right. All right. So I hope everyone enjoy the video. And as I said, no pain, no gain, no sacrifice, no victory. Now it's like, note it down, please. What you are going to enjoy the video, please note it down as well. Okay. Here we go. No one is going to talk in between. Okay.
India's friend, Mr. Dolan Trump. Swami Vivekananda.
It's her choice.
आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। और आभार कैसे व्यक्त करेंगे? ताली बजा करके, थाली बजा करके, घंटी बजा करके, घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है।
मेरा एरिया है और एरिया में कोई भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं करता। ओके मैं गरीब हूँ।
मैं थी, तुम थी, कौन था?
रिस्क है तो इश्क। कैसे हैं आप लोग?
बहुत बुरे हैं हम लोग। मुझे ड्रग दो।
जली ना?
जली ना, तेरी भी जली ना।
मैं चला जाऊंगा। जा। मैं चला जाऊंगा। हाँ जा। मैं सचमुच चला जाऊंगा। चल 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 चल। मैं जा रहा हूँ।
चला जा।
All right. Okay. So how was the video, boys and girls? Good?
Yeah. Funny, sir.
Funny? Okay. Did you notice
Yes,
something?
Yeah.
Did you notice
many
some
things
point?
we have noticed. What all
Okay.
happened in 2020, for how many
Oh,
people we have lost, what all
yes.
difficulties we have faced, and what all
Yes.
activities we have done, and what all things got banned, everything.
Yes, 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 yes. So boys and girls, here I'm trying to say a person who is in a loss, a person during the pandemic who was in the loss, only he realized, okay, only he realized what was the problem he faced in the pandemic. We peoples, we never realize, you know, like we are enjoying the life. But person, a very close family members who lost his life, okay, and a person who suffered from the financial problems, or a person, okay, who could not reach to his home at a time. You saw this, like Bihar peoples, okay, walking 500 to 1000 kilometers. Oh my God, we should never remember this year 2020. But what happened was, you were sitting at home. So it depends on the poor people and the rich people, okay. So it was like that coronavirus, okay. It's like work from home. Work from home or be at home, be safe is only to the peoples who have a lot of money. For the poor peoples, they can't, because you know very well there are a lot of employees, laborers and workers who work, who earn the money on the daily basis, like 200 rupees, 300 rupees per day. That's all. They'll be waiting for tomorrow's work. They don't have the money. So I hope everyone understood this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So more than funny, I think, yeah, more than funny, I think we should realize the pain. Okay, what pain they had. I mean to say, what kind of an pain they suffered it. Okay, so let us get back to the topic now, and I hope everyone has written 5 to 10 points related to the coronavirus. So who is going to start? Okay, because we have very few times left, so who's going to start this class with the topic coronavirus and I mean to say, you are supposed to say any 2 points, 3 points, 1 point, or what is your suggestion, view, or feedback that, oh my God, what is this? Amrin Sharif, what did you do? Okay, thank you very much. It is back. So you are supposed to say points. Okay, let us start our group discussions. Like, what do you think about the coronavirus? What are the advantages and disadvantages of coronavirus?
May I?
Yeah, please start, Simavan.
Okay, so the advantages over here is we have more time to spend with our family. Okay, and the true faces we were able to see, like the people who are helping us during a difficult time. That is the true face. We can see who is our real best friend and who are just fake friends. And
Excellent.
disadvantages, and the disadvantage is many financial problem. Like we feel like we are just starting again from the beginning, from the zero. And many people have lost their jobs, and they have faced very critical condition.
Yes,
And these
exactly.
are the two advantages and two disadvantages.
Thank you, Seema. All right. Anyone else wants to share your opinion? Have you written any points?
May I, sir?
Yeah, please start.
Ume
Kulsum.
We got an opportunity in this time. We can gain many more knowledge through online. We can get different types of knowledge. Expect the education we are doing. More knowledge also we can get. We got disadvantages.
All right.
Disadvantage is it's even affected for education. Without we are writing our exams, we are promoted. We don't know what we have prepared, what we have understand. We don't know anything, but they have promoted for everyone. It's an advantage also, it's a disadvantage for through education. Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah. I think we should distribute the pedas and laddus. You know, without exam, everyone is getting passed. No, yeah. I just wanted to say, like, just imagine without exam, everyone is getting promoted. What is your future? Like, it's zero, you know. because the people are waiting in a queue to get appointed in the different companies. Just imagine what kind of a knowledge they will be having compared to your knowledge. It is one of the point, but I think exams are must, whether you pass or fail. Okay, it's very important things in your future. And thank God, this 2020 batch and 2021 batch, all the lucky students, first they felt like, oh my God, exam should get cancelled. You know, even the second PUC and SLC. But later on, you will realize in your future, we missed a very important part of our life. But you won't realize now. Just enjoy your life, you know, because you are very young. Anyhow, thank you very much, Umay Kulsum. Yeah, who is going to try next?
May I, sir?
Yeah, Nasibunisa, please.
Okay, sir. So first thing I would like to say about the pandemic. What is pandemic?
Okay.
The pandemic means the world's major countries facing social and economic problems due to a pandemic.
Okay.
Means the pandemic of a virus which is called a coronavirus.
Yes.
So this coronavirus directly impacts on human lungs, entering through the mouth or nose, and after
Yes.
entering it starts multiplying itself.
Yes.
So we can say this is a pandemic situation. Before
right.
our life was normal,
Okay.
like everybody was busy in their own
Yes.
life,
Yes.
in their schedules, routines, everything. But
Yes.
now our situation is new normal.
Yes.
We never
exactly.
heard the word lockdown.
Yes.
Even
yes.
when first time when I heard lockdown, I thought it is possible in India. No,
Okay. Yes.
not possible because millions of people are there. How they can
Yeah.
lock?
Yes.
Later on, when we got into this that situation, we came to know that this is also a pandemic where we have to lock down and shut down everything.
All right.
I think this is also, I think according to me, nature has pressed the button pause.
Yes. Yes.
Like nature is healing
Yes. Yes.
because
Exactly.
everywhere was pollution.
Yes.
You know, when when our life was normal, we had huge traffic on roads.
Yes. 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 Yes.
And we were getting the pollution.
Okay.
Now you can see roads are clean, even
Okay.
skies are clean.
Okay.
We can visible. We can see stars. Air
Yes.
is means the sky is clear and
Yeah,
stars
it's
are
very
visible.
free and clean. Yes. Yes. I got your point.
Yes.
Nasibunisa. Thank you. Thank you.
So
Oh, yeah.
this brought, yeah, even this new normal also taught a lot of lessons to us,
Okay.
like how we should prepare ourselves, like personal cleanliness, how we should interact, and we have to be maintain social distancing. Even
Yes.
this virus teaching us to civilize.
Okay.
Have you seen before when our life is normal, if one bus comes to the bus stop, all people will crowded.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, but now we have to maintain social distancing.
Okay.
This
Social
is also
distance,
a
right?
good thing. Yes, sir.
So
Social
can you
distance.
see that? Can you see the screen? This is called social distance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
No,
this is
sir.
how.
No, sir, it is not called social distance.
No,
Because
sir.
of maintaining the social distance, not the human
This
being.
is okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So even this pandemic also taught a new lessons for us, humanity.
Okay, Nasibunisa, thank you, because everyone is going to get the chance. I know you have written a lot of points, you know, even everyone has written lots of points. So because I want to contribute myself in this particular, you know, so we have cancelled the welcome speech and vote of thanks.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Thank
so
you so much
Nasima and
for giving me
Nasibunisa, thank you. Okay, so now it's my turn, boys and girls. Next to, yeah, everyone will get the chance one by one. So my question is here, it's actually a question as a trainer. More than coronavirus, I repeat again, more than coronavirus, people are dying because of dash. I repeat again, more
Fear,
than coronavirus.
Yes,
fear.
sir. Hungry, sir.
Hungry.
They are
Fear.
not
Yes.
getting food. They are not
Okay.
getting food,
Yeah.
sir.
Food.
They are
One
not
by one.
getting food.
One by
Proper
one, one by one.
precautions, sir.
Yeah, one by one, please. Sima Banu, you please start, followed by Bushra, then Azra, and then Abdul Hafiz. Please start, Sima. What is that fear you said?
They are dying because of the fear. Because in the TV, they are showing in such a way that if they get a normal cold, they are thinking that they are corona positive, and because of the fear itself, they are dying. And if
Wow,
they
thank
just go to the hospital, they be looking into the environment itself, they are feeling that, okay, I will be dying now. So the fear
Yeah.
itself killing them first.
Okay.
They
So
have
thank you,
to be
Seema.
mentally strong.
Yeah, mentally strong. That is immunity. Immunity should be boosted. Okay. So it's I remember my dialogue, So normally we used to get attack in heart attack. Now in kidney also we are getting heart attack, seeing the environment. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, Bushra, please. Food. What you
Yes,
said about
sir.
food?
The people, they are not getting food, and yeah, they are being hungry for many hours, many days, and
Yes,
they are
yes.
dying because of hungry.
Food.
And then the second point is um,
Yeah.
the
Okay.
if
Bushra,
we are
you,
seeing the
yeah.
videos in
Yes.
in news and all, we see that doctors are only killing
Oh my
the
God. Yeah, yeah,
patients,
yeah. You're true.
seeing the things that doctors are killing the patients. They are not, they don't want to go to hospitals, and they
Yes,
say
yes.
that home quarantine is only better than going to hospital.
Okay, thank you, Bushra. So it's like Bushra is saying, I say almost is true. Now, what and all we are doing the conversation, 50% yes, 50% no. Doctors are killing the peoples and they are removing the kidneys, heart, what and all we don't know, the parts of the internal body. But we are calling them Corona warriors. So not for all, because some doctors are very good. We saw in the video. So there are some Corona warriors. There are some Corona killers. Oh my God, they're killing. Okay, no problem, Bushra Fatima. Thank you. Yeah. Next is Zaiba.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Zaiba or Zainab is not there, so I'm just going to
Yes,
go
sir,
for.
I am there, sir.
Yeah, please speak. You want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, Abdul Hafiz, do you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Coronavirus pandemic brought the economy of India to a halt over the past 1 year, and numerous people have lost their jobs, especially women. A recent study in Delhi found that in 8 months, the unemployment rate in the national capital increased by 17%, with
Oh my
about
God.
83% of women
Yes, yes.
respondents choosing to permanently out of participating
Yes, yes, yes,
in
exactly.
the workforce.
Yes, yes, yes. Abdul
And
Hafiz.
one
Yeah.
more, sir. Yesterday you
Yeah.
told
Yeah.
people are dying more than coronavirus after watching Radhe.
Did you watch that movie, Abdul Hafiz?
No, sir. Just I
Don't
see
watch.
memes on Instagram.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They are using artificial
Okay.
VFX
Okay, okay. Yeah, I understand. I
for
understand.
showing
Okay.
more body.
Yeah. Okay, so many people got admitted to hospital and some of them died after watching the movie Radhe. So movie Radhe is dangerous than coronavirus, maybe or maybe not. But this is in part time. We are talking about long time. Okay, this is a short term. We are talking about long term. Okay, so next question is mine. Okay, do you think, boys and girls, we should do thanks to China? We should be very thankful to China, or you should say, China, thank you very much. Because of you, we are spending
No,
more
sir.
time with our family.
Yes, sir.
No.
Come on, just now we
No.
said because of corona we are spending more time with the family, so we should thanks China.
No, sir. Many people, we are spending time, we are enjoying. But what about others
Many
who are
people are
in
dying.
rural
They are dying.
areas? Many people are suffering. Many people have lost their life too.
This is the
Many
point I want
people
to know.
got in
More than
financial
plus
problems.
points, we can see more
No
negative
jobs.
points over here. More than
Yes.
advantages, there are more disadvantages.
Yes,
So
yes,
for
yes,
that,
yes.
we should not be able to thank them.
Yes, yes. We should never thank them. It's not it's like because discrimination. Yeah. India is a secular country as well as democratic country. So what happened here is there is no discrimination between people. Everyone is equal. Now, when we talk about the discrimination, a person, okay, the richest person in India like Ambani and Adani has the highest amount of money. Just imagine they are contributing little, 10% of their amount to India, there will be no poverty. So what happens here is it's my mentality, okay? I think like that, because rich people are becoming more richer and poor people are becoming more poor. That should not happen. Everything should be balanced like European countries, okay? Anyhow, so we should not thank China. And do you think this virus, coronavirus, that is pandemic? First, anyone know the meaning of what is the meaning of pandemic? What is the exact meaning of pandemic? I just want to know the meaning of pandemic. Anyone wants to try?
The tougher
Facing
time we
social,
are
excuse
surviving.
me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Facing social and economic crisis all over the world.
Okay, thank you very much, Nasibunisa. Anyone else want to try?
Outbreak, sir.
Outbreak, yeah. Okay, boys and girls, pandemic is not like China. It started from the China. Then we came to know this disease is not about China. It is pandemic. Pandemics, it was given the message from WHO, World Health Organization, that this disease is pandemic and it is going to spread and it is going to infect whole planet Earth. If it is a particular country like China, India, America, then it's not pandemic. Pandemic means everyone is going to get involved in this, okay? So we use this word pandemic. Now World Health Organization, the father and mother of all the, I mean to say, the hospitals and institution, WHO said this. Then we came to know that slowly. So not only it came in the November and December in China, it came in the month of March and April in the India. All right, so pandemic. So I just want to know that we are not supposed to thank. Do you actually think that this started from China?
Yes.
Yes, from Wuhan.
Yeah,
Yes,
WUHAN.
Wuhan.
Okay, so there is a bird called bat. Let me explain very quickly. There is a bird called one bat. It was sleeping, you know, opposite side on the top of the tree of the branch. Then one person hit it, because in the China, everything is allowed. They will eat the dog also, cat also, donkey also, snakes also, cockroaches also. You know very well. Thank God dinosaurs are not there. Otherwise, they would have eaten dinosaurs also. So one of the person ate bat. After eating, he got infected. And that bat disease is called as corona. BAT, bat. It is the name of a bird, bat. Okay, I'm not talking about cricket bat. Then how it got spread in a particular area of the Wuhan? It was a market. I mean, this is a fish market. They are selling the, I mean, this is a fish, all kinds of different kinds of creatures. Then how it got infected slow by slow by slow. So it came to Wuhan. After Wuhan, it was spread in the Beijing and whole part of the China. Now, what was the mistake? The mistake was from the China, everyone went to abroad countries and it got infected one by one, obviously from the atmosphere also. So what do you think? Am I correct, incorrect, or there are any other reasons, boys and girls?
Yep,
No,
you're correct, sir.
there are so many
other
stories
reasons
behind
also,
this,
sir.
but actual reason
Yes, sir.
they are telling is documentary that they were experimenting some chemical, some viruses, and which it got spreaded to the person who was doing the research, and from there on it keeps on spreading. So it's a kind of virus which was created by the human being itself. There are so many documentary about this in the YouTube.
Yeah, thank you very much. All right. So, yeah, let us go to the next question. Now, you know, the corona, it's kind of in fear. Just now, some of the students are, it creates fear in our body. So here are the comment, you know, one of my friend called to another friend and he said, he went to the doctor for checkup. Okay. And doctor said to one of my friend, congratulations. Congratulations, you don't have corona. Okay. Let me complete my sentence. He said, congratulations, Mr. Javid, you don't have corona, but you have cancer. Oh my God. And my friend, you know, he distributed the pedas and laddus to everyone by saying, I don't have corona, I have cancer. I don't have corona, I have cancer. How happy he was. What do you think about this statement?
Because cancer patient, at least he can mingle with others and he will be free. But the corona patient, nobody touches him, nobody tries to speak him, nobody tries to help him. And if he dies also, nobody is ready to touch him. That is the biggest fear the person has.
Okay, thank you, Seema. Now, one of the memes, as Abdul Hafiz was saying, we are following, we are regular followers of Insta and Facebook. I got the passengers in the aeroplane. I hope everyone knows this joke. The passengers in the aeroplane were sitting quietly and they were like enjoying, you know, in the aeroplane. Just now there was a message from the cabin crew, that is from the pilot, and pilot said, Thank you very much for choosing the Airline 320. Everyone heartily welcome. I would like to message you and forward you and convey you the message. Pilot is saying that today I'm working from home. Okay. The pilot said to all the passengers that I'm working from home. And all the passengers, as my favorite dialogue, in kidney they got heart attack. Who is flying the aeroplane? What do you think, boys and girls?
In kidney heart attack, sir.
No, I'm just giving a message. So what will be your reaction that you come to know that everyone is going to die because of coronavirus? And the topic is actually work from home. So do you think it is good work from home? Do you think everyone is feeling good?
No, sir.
No, sir. It's making the person lazy, sitting at one place like an idol. Exercise, no activity, no mingling, no peace of mind. Just work like a robot.
Yes. So I think I'm also like work from home right now. I'm using the laptop. I'm getting interacted with you all. But just imagine, you know, software employees, the call centers, the BPOs, everyone is working from home, and look at their condition, you know. Actually, it's totally different case, you know, lots of disturbance, families, children. Oh my God. So that's not going to happen. Work from home, it's in part-time, 1 month, 2 months. Okay. Do you think, can we work from home for a long period, like 1 year or 2 year? Absolutely no.
No,
So I just
sir.
want, okay, boys and girls, I just want to ask, what about your schools and college life? Do you want your school and college back?
Yes, sir. We
Yes, sir.
we Yes, we lost our golden time, sir. For wait.
Whoa, you lost your golden time. And when we are as a teacher, we will be telling you, please come to the school, means you will be bunking, you know, roaming in the gardens and watching movies in the movie theater. But right now you are missing in college and your schools also. Wow, thank you very much. So I think
Now actually the student will realize the value of the school and colleges, sir.
yes, it's one kind of a lesson to them, you know, what is schools and colleges. Anyhow, but I think these two batches are very lucky, 2020 and 21. They never wrote exam. How many of them failed? And important things in schools and colleges are tour, annual days, programs, functions, Gandhi Jayanti, national festivals. Oh my God, we just enjoy. But we are not doing that. Okay, so boys and girls, we did not give the speech. Only 2 minutes has been left. And my last question is, I want to give an example on a particular student, and that student should not feel bad. So to whom I should give this example? It's in comedy.
Zainab.
Zainab. Okay. Zainab. So she said it, Zainab. Okay, check out the joke here, because very few, I have written many things, you know, I just wanted to enjoy this class. And there are many things like antigen test and swab, you know, what is coronization, what is symptoms, you know, what and all happens. So Zainab, actually Zainab called me in the morning and she said, excuse me, Shahnwaz sir, I just came to know that it's been positive and I'm suffering from corona. Okay. And I'm like, oh my God, Zainab, what is this? Yes, sir. The report has come positive, but there is a good news also. I said, yeah, tell me, what is that good news? The corona has been quarantined for 2 weeks. So Zainab is so strong that when she came to know that she has been positive, but the corona has been for quarantine for 2 weeks. So Zainab is not going for quarantine. The corona is going for quarantine for 2 weeks. Okay. So it's all about immunity I'm talking about. What do you think? What is immunity?
The body, how it reacts, and your mind, how it reacts.
Yes,
and
yes.
how
yes.
your body is feeling.
How we
So,
think, how we react.
think. Yeah, but our batch is very strong, you know. So if we are getting corona, Almighty God should not do this. But if you are getting corona, I think corona will go for quarantine, not we. Correct? We have to fight with
Yes.
corona.
You should think
Yes,
10
sir.
times before entering to us.
Yeah, you should think 10 times before entering to us, because we are like, you know, every time go corona, go, it will go away, banging the plates and lighting the lamps. Oh my God, the funniest part.
Sir,
of our
less than
country.
1 minute is remaining.
Yeah, thank you very much for reminding, Bushra, but there is no vote of thanks, so we will continue. Okay, so when the last question is, don't feel bad here. One of my friend asked me, sir, the infection, you know, if someone is shaking the hand and touching body to body and it's getting corona is spreading, do you think if we